LSAT is a prominent exam that is conducted in different countries for the purposes of admission into law schools. In this particular video, we'll be talking about LSAT India. So let's start with this video and understand the concept of LSAT and how, what is the paper pattern, how is this exam conducted, everything we are going to cover in this video. Hi guys, I'm Ayushi and welcome to Law Digest. Now the first part that we are looking at is affiliation. LSAT आप कौन से कॉलेजेस के लिए दे सकते हैं, क्या अफिलिएशन है। 85 कॉलेजेस की लिस्ट है जिसमें LSAT अप्लाई होता है, जिसके थ्रू इन कॉलेजेस में आप एडमिशन ले सकते हैं थ्रू। नाउ आई हैव लिस्टेड आउट नेम्स ऑफ सम प्रोमिनेंट कॉलेजेस जो इस एग्जाम के थ्रू एडमिशन लेते हैं। आप वीडियो को पॉज करके एक बार इसको पढ़ सकते हैं। यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो एंड चेक द नेम्स ऑफ द कॉलेजेस। आई वुड नॉट से दे आर वेरी ग्रेट बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इन माई ओपिनियन गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस आर नथिंग लाइक इट, उनसे ज़्यादा अच्छा कुछ नहीं होता है, बट स्टिल एज अ बैकअप यू कैन गिव दिस एग्जाम। नाउ लेट्स स्पीक ऑफ एलिजिबिलिटी। अब 5 ईयर 3 ईयर LLM तीनों के लिए ये एग्जाम कंडक्ट किया जाता है। What is the eligibility criteria? 5-year program के लिए you need to have 45% marks in your board exams in your grade 12th. For 3-year, you should have passed graduation with minimum 45% marks, and for LLM, you should have passed from LLB. You should have done LLB with minimum 45% marks. So all in all, हर जगह 45% marks का criteria है। मूविंग ऑन टू द सेक्शनल डिविजन। अब क्या क्या सेक्शंस पूछे जाते हैं? एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग 1, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग 2 एंड रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन। So in all there are 4 parts. The number of questions vary. They are around 23 to 24 questions and duration is 35 minutes for each. So in total you have 2 hours 20 minutes. Let's see the pattern. टाइम इज 2 hours 20 minutes, जैसा कि अभी हमने देखा। फ्रीक्वेंसी, दिस एग्जाम इज कंडक्टेड ट्वाइस अ ईयर। ये एग्जाम साल में 2 बार होता है, मार्च में भी, मई में भी। So you can give this exam twice a year. Just in case you don't score well in the March attempt, you can give the May attempt as well. फिर नेगेटिव मार्किंग यहाँ पर नहीं है, सो मेक सेंस कि आप सारे क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करें। Then questions total 92 पूछे जाते हैं and the medium of the question paper is English. English में ही ये questions पूछे जाते हैं। Subjects we've already seen analytical reasoning, logical reasoning and reading comprehension. अब ये देखते हैं, let's look at कि इन subjects में हमें क्या पूछा जाएगा, क्या हमें पढ़ने की जरूरत है। Also the May exam has been postponed. You can check the website for this. I had posted a community post on YouTube as well with respect to LSAT. You can go and check our community post. Also, you can visit Discover Law ka website, the official website, to know about how to apply for this exam, the application process, and you can apply online from there. Now, subjects में syllabus क्या है? RC basic reading comprehension. You will be given a passage and you have to read that passage. The examiner wants to check your ability to read, understand and incite example of lengthy and complex materials. जैसे कि आप law school में judgments पढ़ेंगे, you will read long judgments. You should have the ability to understand them and get an insight as to what has been said in that particular judgment. Here you look at a comprehension or basic passage. Then analytical reasoning questions, wherein what will happen, your ability to understand a given situation and to draw logical conclusions will be checked. So you will be given different situations and you have to draw conclusions on them. Now logical reasoning questions will be to analyze your ability to analyze, critically evaluate and complete arguments as they occur in the ordinary language. So basically statements will be given, arguments will be given, you will be told to come to a conclusion. So these kinds of questions will be there. For this, what you can do is on their website only, they have some practice packs. They are just practice packs. They are like mock tests, and there are different categories of packs that you can subscribe for. Otherwise, you'll have to read and study these things all by yourself. Reading comprehension, internet pe you can pick up many comprehensions and start solving those. For analytical and logical reasoning, you can pick up some books. You can pick up R.S. Agarwal and you can pick up GMAT material. GMAT material is important here because the kind of questions that are asked will be given therein. I would say that you should take a look at the practice material given by them on their website, because it will help you understand the paper pattern and the structure of this exam. So with this we come to the end of this video. I hope जो doubts चल रही थी LSAT को लेके वो इस वीडियो के थ्रू थोड़ी बहुत क्लियर हुई होंगी. And if yes, then do hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram for good legal based updates, and just in case any queries remain, you can mention the same in the comment box below.